What the? Jeez. Hey, come back here, you jerk. Hey, are you okay? Oh, crap. Hello? Yes, I need an ambulance. There's someone unconscious in a car after a car crash. Yes, they're breathing. But they're bleeding from their head. No. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any more injuries. The jerk that crashed into them ran away. Thank you. Oh, hey! There you are. No. Don't move. Your head is bleeding, and it's best if you stay there. Hey, don't be scared. It's gonna be okay, alright? Here, hold my hand. Easy. I promise. I'm not going anywhere. My name is Matthew. I was behind you when you crashed. That jerk. He ran away. But that's not important right now. How are you feeling? Dizzy? I called an ambulance. They should be here pretty soon. So just hang in there, alright? Keep your eyes open. Talk to me. What's your name? That's a pretty name. Your neck hurts? I think it's pretty common with crashes. So try not to move, okay? Help will be here soon. Wheelchair? Hey, that's not gonna happen, okay? Most people only come out with a neck brace. Deep breaths. Come on. In. And out. Good. It's gonna be fine. Hey, no sleeping, please. I know you're feeling faint right now, but I need you to stay with me, okay? How old are you? Okay, yeah, maybe that wasn't the smartest question. Ignore that. What's your favorite color? That's a beautiful color. Mine is blue. Here they come. Just hang in there a little bit longer, okay? We're over here! Hey, stay awake. No. You can do this. Hey, come on. Open your eyes. Wake up. Hey, there you are. How you feeling? Dizzy? Yeah, that makes sense. It was a bit of a bad accident you had there. I'm still here? Yeah. Figured I couldn't leave you alone. You had no ID on you, so they couldn't call anyone. I'm too nice? I'm just happy to help. Whoa. Hey, take it easy. Doc said you shouldn't move your neck too much, so here. Let me help you sit up. Easy. Let me fluff your pillow there. Better? How's your neck feeling? Hurts a lot? I'm sorry. Doc said you had a cervical sprain. Your neck is sprained, to put it simply. I'm gonna be sore for a few weeks, but it'll heal. See? I told you. You would be fine. Thinking about ending up on a wheelchair was a very bad case scenario. Doc said that you also have a minor concussion, So you're gonna have to stay here for a day or two, but it's nothing to worry about. You're just gonna have to take it easy, okay? Is there anyone you want me to call? It's no trouble, really. Your brother. Alright, what's his... Oh, he doesn't live here. So... Oh, I see. You moved here, but your family stayed back home. Well, I could give them a call if you want. Alright, I'll call them in a few then. Oh, breakfast is here. Looks like they made eggs for today. Thank you, nurse. You're not hungry? You need to eat to recover. How about a small piece? Or maybe I could try and smuggle you something else. Hospital foods are not known for their 5-star Michelin reputation. What do you fancy then? Come on, I'll get you anything. Why am I so nice to you? You seem like a very nice person that could use a friend right now. So please, would you eat something for this stubborn stranger that only wants to help? Alright. I'll be back with some pancakes then. And I'll call your brother on the way. Did someone order a stack of fluffy buttermilk pancakes? Here you go. And they're still hot. You're welcome. By the way, your brother says he's gonna catch the first flight here to see you. And bon appetit. Me? I'll grab a bite later, don't worry about it. You're right. I told you to eat something, and here I am setting a bad example. You want to share? But... fine. Wow. These are good. You can never go wrong with IHOP. Shh. Give me the pancakes. If the doctor finds out, we're busted. Yes, come in. Oh, hey, Doc. Oh, no. The pancakes are mine. She's having the eggs. Nutritiously yummy. How are they? Oh, that's good news. See, only one more night and you can be out of here. Alright. Doc, we'll see you later then. Thanks. We almost got caught. Alright, finish your pancakes. You're gonna need to regain your strength. Yeah, I'll eat my share too. Promise. Oh, that was good. Oh, hey. Are you okay? Feeling sleepy, huh? You should get some rest then. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Me? Well, yeah, I work, but not until Monday, so we're good. Get some rest then. No need to thank me. Hey, sleepyhead. Feeling any better? That's what I like to hear. I bought you a balloon. Yeah, it's the kiss emoji. Um, I wanted to get a get well soon, but they didn't have many, so it was either this one or the it's a boy one. Why did I help you? Oh, well, I saw the crash and wanted to make sure the person in the car was fine, especially after that jerk ran away. But, okay, don't take this the wrong way, but then I saw your beautiful eyes and sorry, I couldn't help it. Hey, no pressure, please. I mean, we just met. I just hope that we can be friends if that's okay. You don't owe me anything. So, what do you say? Friends? Thank you. Oh, look, it's a doctor. Oh, they can leave? Oh, that's great news. Wow, hey, don't rush it. Take it easy. Here, lean on me. I'll help you up slowly. Oh, hospital rules. Well, looks like you're leaving on a wheelchair after all. But not for the reasons you think. Get ready to feel the speed. I'm gonna push this wheelchair to 60 miles per hour. Engaging NOS. Hey, someone's a snowflake. I'll stop. Sorry. Don't be scared. I won't let anything happen to you. Ever. Yes, you were scared. Pfft, sure. You were worried that we would hit a nurse, of course. How convenient. Glad I can make you laugh on your way out of the hospital. Hey, no need to thank me. I'm really happy I met you. Would have hoped it would have been under better circumstances, but still. So, Your Highness, want me to get you a chariot home? Alright. Taxi! Looks like all we can get in New York are pumpkins. But hopefully it'll do. I'd like to go with you if you would allow me. I could help you get settled and all. You need to take it easy, remember? Happy to help then.